we have connected our phones to the Asterisk server, and as you remember, we wrote a line context equal my context. And I said we will write it in a different file, so it is time. The file where you write your dial plans is extensions.conf. Before we write our first dial plan, see how it looks. This is a basic example. The rules or extensions start from the word extend. Right then we define a phone number that devices in this context can call. So all the phones that have a context my context can call 100 number. For now we just define this simple number. The next parameter is priority, but usually all your comments for a number are in order. You always have to define the first line with number 1 priority. But what about next lines? Instead of writing 2, 3, 4 and so on, you can just use a letter N, which means next. So it just increases the priority of the extension. And the last parameter is an application. It is a defined action which Asterisk can do when a device is calling a number. So, in this example, when you start calling 100 number, Asterisk picks up its phone. Just imagine that. Then it plays an audio file for you. It is without extension here. You can write it this way. .gsm will be added automatically. The last command will hang up the phone and end your call. So this was a call to Asterisk server and an automatic answer. Not hard at all, I think. Now, your extensions can be very big. And you probably noticed this. This part is repeated on each line. And what if you want to change a number? You need to edit all lines? No. Just use the word same. It will pick up the number from the first command. So you don't need to repeat it on each line. You write it only here. This space isn't necessary. It just looks better this way. Well, I think. So, we've just defined a number 100. But we can't do it for every single phone number. We need a pattern to match a lot of numbers at once. Just don't look at this scary thing right now. What you need to look at is here. This is a pattern. It is always started with underscore. Don't forget it, it's a common mistake. Then the pattern itself goes. You can use numbers and or special symbols. For example, dot means any symbol, any at all. See the special symbols you can use. I hope it's clear how to use the first 3. The last one defines a range of symbols that are possible at current position, but still it's only one symbol from this range. You can define ranges from 0 to 9 or from A to Z, for example. Let's see one more example. This pattern, which has 3 letters X, means any 3-digit phone number. There is also a special S extension. The S extension is used when there is no known number in the context. So you try to call a number that does not exist here, the S extension will do the job. So, Dialplan, context, extensions, they're all in extensions.conf file. Just open it, go to the end and start writing your context. Reload Asterisk configs, and let's call our number from a soft phone.
Congratulations! You have successfully installed and executed the Asterisk open source PBX. You have also installed a set of sample sounds and configuration files that should help you to get started. Like a normal PBX, you will navigate this demonstration by dialing digits. If you're using a console channel driver instead of a real phone, you can use the dial, answer, and hang up commands to simulate the actions of a standard telephone.
Great! Now you have an idea how you can create your own phone numbers for the devices connected to Asterisk, and how to write rules according to which Asterisk makes calls. The next step is to call someone's landline or mobile phone. We'll do it in the next video.